Hey, how you all doing? So I'm not doing an unboxing video. I received this today from Organic Audio Contact Microphones Cjossul, or however you pronounce this. I guess some people, if you're buying this product, you're interested in the packaging. I mean, it has arrived in a nice sturdy box. And yeah, this brought a smile to my face today because it was 4 days ago today exactly that my mum died. So yeah, always a difficult day. This sort of helped cheer me up a bit. So I'm going to open the box. And open the box, and it's like barn dance. There's all this like loose straw and hay, which is okay. It's very organic. It's organic audio. The first thing that jumped to my mind was like when I lived in Australia, sending this to Australia. I don't know if they have sold any in Australia, but I think Australian customs, if they open this, might not be too happy. And I have to admit, maybe this is a little bit, I mean, this is a luxury problem, I guess, but I have opened this and had a quick look. And this was full of like all this kind of very fine milled hay. You can't really focus, you can't see it, but there's still a bit in there, and I'm gonna have to clean all that out with a cotton bud. Luxury problem, personal preferences. I would like it to be in a bag so that it wasn't all that dust going in there. But then I'm really careful with my equipment. I really, I do a field recording and clean all my equipment when I come in. But I think I'm going to make this a super quick video. I'm going to sort of go over the how the product feels in the cable and blah 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 in a small video. And by the way, I bought this with my own money, so this is not any sort of sponsored video. I'm not quite at that status where companies are sending me products yet. Maybe one day, but there you go. We'll have a deeper look into the contents of the box a little later.